What are we doing in this? Basically आपके पास इथेनॉल है, पेट्रोल में आप क्या मिक्स कर रहे हैं? 20% ethanol. That is what we have to achieve. क्या होगा इससे? At least some sort of reduction in the emissions that we are doing through vehicles, right? So what is ethanol? Ethanols are made up of molasses, sugar, correct. These molasses which we derive from the sugar cane, all of these can be used as a source. It is an ethanol source. Your ethanol can be then mixed with the petrol, and then you are getting what? E20. You also call it as E20 program. There are various programs that has been run. One program is E20 program, wherein 20% of the ethanol has to be mixed with the petrol. What are the prices these days of the E20 petrol with ethanol? Is almost the same or higher only. They are not less. Prices are not less of the petrols with ethanol, right? And also at the same point of time, same point of this thing, you're not having the cars, the vehicles compliant to this liquid. We are not having the vehicles which are compliant to this liquid. That's why there's a lot of problem which the vehicles are facing these days. Because one has to be in compliance with something when you are using that particular thing. For example, if I tell you that some object, any equipment you take, and you're trying to fill in that has been not manufactured, has not been designed in a way that it can sustain the drawbacks of